Hi, I'm Bill Wallace with Crandall Office Furniture, and today I'm going to show you how to take your V2 OEM stool cylinder off and replace it with a Crandall stool cylinder. First step is to remove these screws. For that, you'll need at least a number 3 bit, if not larger, to take these screws off. Sometimes the number 3 will work. This will give you access to the cylinder. So the next step is to remove the cylinder. First step is to remove the original OEM stool from the OEM base and kit. Take the cylinder clip off, and then you should slowly be able to pull the original cylinder out. The Crandall Office Furniture cylinder. The first thing you want to do is you want to take off the cylinder tube. You want to slowly remove it. Make sure you have all the hardware connected to it. It should look like that. The first step is to put the bumper on. And then it goes the washer, the bearing, washer. And at this point you want to slide it back into its either the base or the tube, and then reconnect the cylinder clip. And then you're going to want to insert the Crandall Office Furniture cylinder in, like so. Then once that's through the base, you want to reinsert the cylinder clip. And that's how we replace the cylinder in the standpipe, and then now it's time to reinstall. Next step is reinstalling the cylinder. Since we are using a cone cylinder, you have to worry about aligning it, so you just gotta put it in. Line those up. And after that, you should be all set. Magic. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandallofficefurniture.com. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Hi, I'm Bill Wallace with Crandall Office Furniture, and today I'm going to show you how to take off your V2 Leap OEM stool. That's awful.
Yeah.
V2 OEM, take apart your V2. What is this? Thanks for your time. At crandallofficefurniture.com. If you had, God,
yeah, look at me.
I like to do it.
Camera, Bill.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.
Slow it down a smidge.
Yeah, always gotta slow it down a smidge. Thanks for watching. Hold on, I gotta get ready.